mentor and I create solution to solve people's problem. Here I want to talk about generating electricity for the whole of Africa through a strike of thunder lightning for 5 years and 47 days per strike of lightning. That means when thunder strike once, it will power the whole of Africa, including Nigeria, Ghana, Benin Republic, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, and many other African countries for 5 years and 30 days whenever thunder strikes for once. Here is a non-working prototype in my hand, and here is a blueprint on how the non-working prototype works. Here we present our lightning arrestor. This lightning arrestor will be built in such a way that when the lightning strikes, it will capture a particular segment from the lightning. Thunder lightning comes with an average power of 330 million volts, and it will come with a speed of 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second square. Thunder lightning occurs 11 million times per annum. That means with only one strike, we can power the whole of Africa for 5 years and 47 days. Sound impossible, right? But it's true. Here we have our sensory zone. These sensors accept only 1 megavolts from the lightning arrestor to pass through the harnessing zone, which stores this static energy. Now, this static energy here is further being converted from static energy to electrical energy through this conversion zone here. From here, it is being converted from static energy to electrical energy and transmitted to the transmission zone. The transmission zone here step down the 1 million volts electrical energy into 330,000 volts, and from here it can power the whole of Africa, or from here Nigeria to say, and from here it can be connected to our national grid. From here also we can step down to 132,000 volts, which should be connected to substations. Back it can be stepped down also to 33,000 volts, and from 33,000 volts it can be stepped down to 11,000 volts, and from 11,000 volts it can be stepped down to finally 415 volts, which should be connected to all these roadside transformers, which we finally step down the voltage to 220 volts to power your house, to power my home, and the whole of Africa. Now, any country where lightning strike, a power project will be built there. That means we will no longer be wasting our lightning energy anymore, but rather we will harness this lightning energy to generate electricity and power the whole of Africa. Africa needs electricity, and let's say no to blackouts. Thank you.